Hello, I'm Gordon. I'm going to show you 5 things that you can do with MarinOne to improve your digital marketing programs that you're probably not doing today. MarinOne has all the power of the publisher campaign managers that you currently use rolled up into a single UI with additional power under the hood. Here are 5 things that you can't do in your publisher tools today. First, our Insights tool helps you find performance opportunities or cost savings across all your accounts and campaigns. Think of it like a custom, automated audit of your accounts, constantly on the hunt for new opportunities. Nearly 2 decades of digital marketing experience went into perfecting these algorithms, and these are all delivered in a centralized, publisher-agnostic view. If you see a recommendation that you want to apply, all you have to do is click a button, and MarinOne takes care of the rest. Next, there's budget forecasting. MarinOne can forecast budget allocations across all your publishers to maximize cross-channel clicks, conversions, or revenue within a target spend amount. It can also forecast budget adjustments in order to hit specific marketing goals and provides accurate budget pacing across each channel. You can also execute a few what-if scenarios by using the plan view. Here, you can identify how much budget to allocate in order to achieve a revenue, clicks, or conversion goal. Want to see all your marketing channels in one place where you can easily monitor spend, creative testing, and rolled up publisher accounts by channel? Our cross-channel dashboard is entirely customizable, and everyone on your team gets their own unique view. Do you already have your own dashboards? With our BI Connect capability, we can push your marketing data out to your existing data warehouse, Excel, or Google Sheets. No more tedious data pulls or writing to publisher APIs. Your customer doesn't just engage with one marketing channel. And as a marketer, it can be such a pain to take action on keywords and ads that are part of a campaign theme but exist across 3 different channels and 6 different accounts. With Dimensions, this is like having an instant pivot table across all of your publisher accounts, pulling together campaign components based upon up to 3 custom criteria that you set. Have a promotion or side campaign with a different goal than your evergreen programs? With Dimensions, you can instantly zoom in on specifics to track, monitor, and take action. Last but not least, the power of automation. MarinOne allows you to set dynamic actions and rules to automate your workflow, enabling tools that run your digital marketing campaigns for you. This is a platform that automatically executes your workflow based upon triggers you set, streamlining your search, social, and e-commerce marketing functions to save time, money, and improve performance. Now that I've shown you the value of the tool, let's jump into navigating the UI and how it works. By clicking the Home button in the top left corner of the UI, you'll see a collection of customizable widgets in a centralized dashboard. The Home page provides you with a macro-level view of all the publishers you've connected to your MarinOne instance, allowing you to perform a quick health check on how your campaigns are doing. As a user, your view is completely customizable, and there's no limit to the number of dashboards you can create. The dashboard view can also be customized for individual team members, so everyone from a marketing manager, director, VP, or even your CMO can see the specific KPIs that they care about. This dashboard view is customized to include items such as media spend breakdown by publisher for the past month, A/B creative tests and their results, and spend pacing aggregated across all currently active marketing channels. Below that in this example, you can see publisher performance by channel, the data of which is populated on a near real-time basis. For this example, we've pulled in Facebook and Twitter campaigns for social, Google and Microsoft for search, Facebook and Amazon for e-commerce, Google and Facebook for display, top performing app campaigns, and there's also a social B2B LinkedIn ads widget. By navigating to the Publishers tab, you can see all the individual publisher accounts you have linked to MarinOne. Data can be pulled in from both API publishers and non-API publishers. You can use this tab to aggregate all of your publisher accounts and first-party data sources. Pulling in new publishers and data sources is also as easy as a couple of clicks. For publishers that are directly supported by MarinOne, once you link an account, the platform will automatically pull in the last 30 days of data so you can immediately start reporting and optimizing. By clicking the search module icon on the left navigation bar, you can begin to take action by isolating manageable sets of data across your marketing campaigns. Here, you can take a closer look at ad groups, keywords, and ads within each campaign across all publishers. By using the search bar, you can quickly search for specific campaign themes. For example, basketball-focused campaigns across all my publishers. Or, you may want to drill into the data by isolating exceptions. For example, by navigating to the column selector tool in the top right corner, you can select from the hundreds of standard and customized columns MarinOne can support. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to simply add in a % change column for impressions and % change column for publisher costs. You can drag and drop the columns in order over here on the sidebar. You can also reorder them inside of the UI. Now, let's say, using these new columns, I want to isolate what campaigns have seen an impression change greater than 10% and a publisher cost change greater than 100%. By applying these two filters, I just drilled down to 3 specific campaigns across publishers that I really want to keep an eye on. Now, let's say I want to receive an alert for this data or export it as a recurring report. By navigating to the Export button in the top right corner of the UI, you can select CSV or Web Query. By selecting Web Query, when the criteria for this report is met, it will automatically import into Google Sheets or Excel. MarinOne also supports intraday report scheduling. By selecting Schedule, you can set up recurring delivery for any unique data view across all of your publishers to be delivered at a cadence of your choosing, including monthly, weekly, daily, and intraday. By inputting your email here, you can receive an alert directly to your inbox with the results from this report whenever it is run. MarinOne is also designed for scalability. If you're an advertiser managing multiple brand accounts, you can also select this report or any type of filter applied here to run on individual advertiser accounts or a grouping of accounts. You may also have a few different views similar to this that you want to look at every single day. By selecting the star icon here in the top right of the UI, you can save this daily comparison view and quickly access other reports created by yourself and other members of your team. I'm going to save this one very quickly as impression and pub cost change. And you'll see this view show up here, but I can also click on shared to see other reports that have been created by my team. Now I'm going to go back to the left navigation bar and select our optimization module, and then navigate to the Insights tab. Here you can see our recommendation engine. The tool is scanning all of your publisher accounts daily and bubbling up insights based upon performance or lack thereof. In this tab, you can find performance opportunities or cost savings that you or your team may not have picked up on. Think of it like a custom automated audit of your accounts every single day. We have nearly 2 decades of digital experience that we've applied to perfect these algorithms, and this is all delivered in an independent, centralized, publisher-agnostic view. As you can see here, many of our insights also have a one-click implementation option, so you can click a button to apply the recommended changes, and we'll take care of the rest. Now let's look at the Rules tab. Here, I can create custom rules across all of my publisher campaigns to maximize efficiency and budget. Let's say I'm running a set of ads across all of my channels promoting a fire sale event. However, I don't want to pay more than $4 per conversion for that specific promotion. I can create a rule here identifying any cost per main KPI or sale for this campaign above $4 over a specified time range, and I can isolate it to only impact any ads that are part of this campaign because I've named them fire sale in my campaign architecture. I can set this rule to automatically pause that ad as soon as a specific ad starts to get above $4 per sale. You can also use rules to set up different types of actions, such as Google always recommending that you spend more. Using this functionality, you can constrain Google to keep that in check. MarinOne is also built for extreme levels of customization. Under the Admin module here, when I select the Custom Columns tab, you can create your own columns based upon custom calculations that are truly unique to your business. These columns will show up inside of the column selector view, back inside of the search module, social, and e-commerce tabs. This is just the tip of the iceberg of the power of MarinOne. Reach out to our team today if you'd like to receive a customized demo and see more of the features that will improve efficiency, drive performance,